Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to ensure your baby is getting enough breast milk. First, pay close attention to how often your little one feeds. Newborns typically nurse 8 to 12 times in a 24-hour period. Each feeding session should last at least 10 to 15 minutes on each breast. Listen for those gentle, rhythmic swallows, which indicate milk is flowing well. A good latch is also crucial for efficient milk transfer and your comfort. A reliable way to gauge milk intake is by monitoring your baby's diaper output. In the first few days, you might see one wet diaper per day of life. By day 5, your baby should have at least 6 to 8 wet diapers in a 24-hour period. These should be heavy with clear or pale yellow urine. Also, track bowel movements. After day 4, expect at least 3 to 4 dirty diapers daily, transitioning from dark meconium to yellow, seedy stools. Your baby's behavior during and after feeding offers valuable clues. A baby getting enough milk will typically appear satisfied and relaxed after nursing, often releasing the breast on their own. Look for a calm demeanor, soft body, and open hands. They should also be alert and active between feeding sessions, showing good muscle tone. If your baby seems fussy, sleepy, or constantly hungry, it might be a sign to investigate further. Consistent weight gain is a primary indicator of adequate milk intake. While it's normal for newborns to lose up to 7 to 10% of their birth weight in the first few days, they should regain it by 2 weeks of age. After that, expect a steady gain of about 5 to 7 ounces per week for the first few months. If you have any concerns about your baby's feeding or weight, do not hesitate to contact a lactation consultant or your pediatrician for personalized guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.